So, silver Colt CZT in for a stage 1 map today. It's got some modifications on it. It's got an induction kit, it's got a dump valve, it's got a decatted exhaust system. Whilst these aren't the mods that we would recommend, the customer will be going for those modifications that we do recommend afterwards. Back for another map tweak and we'll make some power. But yeah, we're going to do the best that we can do today. It's a nice motor. I like the wheels a lot. That'll certainly wake the neighbours up, Richard.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Well, we take no responsibility for what they called Section
59.
Section 59. Take no responsibility for those. If your neighbours don't like you after we've mapped your car, again, we've got a disclaimer for that. Okay, so not the modification that we know are good for these cars, but we've still made an improvement there. And we finished today on 205 brake horsepower, which is 180 at the wheels. Good stuff, Team Dynodaze. Wham bam bam bam.